Mohammed Kamara, goalkeeper, and Kwesi Frimpong Amos, welfare officer of Asante Kotoko Sporting Club XC, has been charged with breaches of Article 12(1)(I) of the Ghana Football of the GFA Disciplinary Code 2019, following the Ghana Premier League game between Karela United FC and Asante Kotoko XC. It is alleged that Mohammed Kamara confronted and assaulted the referee using insulting and abusive language and gestures after the match, whilst Akwesi Frimpong Amos forcefully seized a red card from the referee and interfere with the referee's authority. They have until close of Wednesday, 11th March 2026, to submit response to the charges. We, if the Ghana Football Association, no more a day aba.
Football no. And businessmen will stop wasting their money on the Ghana Premier League.
Oh yeah, sure.
Yeah. Because it's gradually becoming an adventure. Oko bokegu.
How will you go and amount for this game?
Yo, it's becoming a bad investment. You see, Obia don't call so jibo. Now our clubs are struggling to transfer players. Now, only say jibo. Now Ghana you do a level where teams won't have a very good quality player now. Only the first question that the teams and the agents ask, or contract and I can't feel saying. That is the first question they ask a Ghanaian Premier League player. Only more was saying, "I don't believe that o contract na aka saying." Yeah, trying. Abayana, you work free. They are not willing to pay money because they don't trust our league. There is a perception say a league, you know, captain, players in the modern born and yet real. I say. Plus no never been young carbon. Not they are a high promo to sell them, but we are not playing good football here. You see, me born wasn't life until you quite heavy. And Kotoko na adumi and normally highlights a crab and shut down with ya. But so shit the moves sometimes you do. Also, I imagine a part of where. I mean, I'm one of those who believe say I only judge coaches by how their team plays, not the results. Ghana, I always support now tight up on boom coach because of results are. Okay, but Bonini. Because let's imagine, say how do you crucify a prince if highlights and then man share on Tamaleno is anything to go by. Why should I blame Prince? Say Kotoko lose game out Tamale. Because clearly it's a manufactured defeat. Obi na asada na watching team say me boa
manufactured defeat. That's anarchy.
Tibo. What a bacho. Visa. Ara me penalty me visa you penalty ma you be dey. And this was second half. Referee no. He say on me juma ni asma so mbaye. And this ask no man go with. In the second half we here boy. Nenim here nenim. Visa pour so no nenim. Is it not a manufactured defeat? We share nenim here. Referee be otina man ko aya here jibo. Share referee tina.
Visa bi mu na here.
And na wa feel any o. Who say what he was attentive. Share we no otina wa feel any here no why o here. Wait. Is it not execution?
The penalty.
This wickedness, sad but Bonue. We are as coaching Yadi. One minute so coach Prince one Yadi or better in Kokrumasi.
Okay.
For this game, I want to hear anybody say Prince in Yadi or better in Kokrumasi on this game.
Yeah, I know your view.
No, on this game, how do you blame a coach for this game if this wicked referee? How can this wicked referee? Yes, see, we are as coaching Yadi. Me say I'm not making call make a Prince as a moment no overall. But if anybody says Prince is a bad coach, who will deal with him on this game? a clear case of Yatichi or Monsan Yashomo. And go back to the red card. Thank you, Visa. How can you tell me the ball you win the penalty? And this is a referee standing closer to the incident where you say, oh, like I said, no, oh, he is standing in front of the incident where it happened. Also, one day, then the coach lose the game. As a coach in Yadi and Pamano. Then you go back to the red card. From all the incidents that happened, this is he came prepared. Let me penny, you know, because side my way, you know, you have to be an experienced person to execute it. This job, it was starting in the first half. The first thing is to give a record that is on a record. That is the first to weaken you. Then he realized record no still M1 eti down and so one number 5 Emma home team no. And only the oya incident by was on je. Tibo, see I here the kind of football we are playing in this country and the way referees super omodene no. I'm not justifying what Kamara did. But you see, football is emotions, and we shouldn't behave as if say Ghana and Kwan see. Yenti TV no be a share about football. Referee dey be play bufun ko onyaya enja no on referee. Ba na ni players na ason mu no ma come na down say nya abotre. It is a game it goes with emotions. And Jibo, so utumrika if you run no be your dey na sure how you react and yet normal say like unam normal idea obi ayo adibi because what to be already udi yaw americano yaw dio you can it is a punishment no way as ko sia Jibo you react in a way that any proper eti as much as I think say based on football mrade ya Kamara e be charge na punishment but yansa somfo ya ni nkwohwe the referees ni ye Jibo why always Ghana second round bi adena afibia journalists predict it normal ayantana obed ese yankofo soldier for ne amokas na second round omu odwuma ye dey tell okas asem no because he know that he knows what happen say in Ghana Premier League second round na there referees body bonnet. Hey, intiamwa. Akwani ni meduma ye papa. Intiamwa. Intiamwa. Obedi boni go kuma sada. Intiamwa. Intiamwa. Oza me tidi na me kai. Obedi boni go kuma sada. Jibo, so this is a referee. Otimi na akukuduro ebedi boni go kuma ase. This is a referee otimi na kokudu o obedi boni okumase na atamale no ntin godi boni Jibo eti ya nhwe ni ya Jibo bebe en football ne kono ewo because referees know what they are doing Jibo it is too bad
Medasi go visa kito mame nko ba for danger man mame nti oso
Los medasi visa Ipacho ka ubetimi aboa me kakra with aduana call tema ni ajai kraku the second park boss Ipacho some be kai sa match we ya I think
last week
the previous weekend no
last weekend yeah
last weekend
not weekend yeah the every week
and incident we see Minu no mo ha de me nye sure say obi asite any green paper say yenu no mo eye nsem for mo other part of the country any even Kumasi no be so obi asite any charge bia the famous green paper sisi ya bakro no be emfa moame you see ubekaya Tama na yamponsa ye CEO de Makumasi Asante Kotoko. he made a famous quote, and I always refer to that quote because I made the power. Was say the Ghana Football Association holding the responsibility to protect the sporting integrity of the game. The Ghana Football Association had the responsibility to protect the sporting integrity of the game. Say you can say integrity of BBA. You must seem to be doing, to be fair, to be honest, to be sincere, and to be truthful. Says how the way a dream says it's owned by the president of the Ghana Football Association. The club, I'm handle another club official. Now watching the prosecutor of the Ghana Football Association has turned a bright eye on it. On who ye? Until ye. This is a prosecutor. Yeah, it's now or the pa. Na say no be interview. Then the pa interview na any year no. Asem o kan say anya wo mu da. Ni pa no be kana no atum say we interview na na charge eto asoba. This is a prosecutor. Yabo match kwasiada. Ewo other venues. Na say incident is here. The same question that now prosecutor no ofia sorry I no call GF secretariat. No control charge no their trust no their babontin. The same prosecutor no. This incident has happened 1 week now. I'm not doing equalization. I will come and speak to Wemu Dieno. But the prosecutor doesn't seem to be working. Just say other teams. Say a dream there. And we're losing the powers as a prosecutor. You are not protecting the integrity of the game. Ebani say ya, the message ma omudi agona say there's no fairness in the game, there's no honesty in the game, there's no sincerity in the game. That be you can't low patronage, you can't disinterest in our game. Some of these things actually, some of the factors are affecting a normal you can't watch them. You better go for ball. People has lost trust in the people who manages the game. Ghana ha. I'm not for you. Nibiam. Omufi say omuye one-sided. Omufi say omuye fair. Omuye honest. Omuye sincere. Omuye ready to protect the sporting integrity of the game. Therefore, Argentina, as I said, be risking my life from wherever I live. Say me correct bora. Ebinumo decided whatever they want to do with it already. Adentia. And in as much as yani ye hold your clubs no responsible say omun enye de be ya confirm ba stadium no. The people who manages the game are also part of the reason why confirm go game no. Because if no maybe we say is here. For instance, Obi Kotoko supporter and what say ya charge a Muslim ya charge Kamara. Na we see na what you charge here. So automatically o catch and say onya agro na chidi. O catch and say onya agro na chidi. My name Zakito Yadwin say the actions by Kamara and Frimpong, if indeed it happened, are condemnable and they must face the consequences of it. For instance, say Amos, baby Abobo na kwakodu. Say okwaje red card, say referee ko show card na ko jeff in semwa. You have to be punished for that. If he did that, he has to be punished for that. And I will not mind ways, he has to be punished and so facing the consequences of it. Say your pawn game. Kamara was not the captain of the day, and you go and confront the referee, you must be punished. You face the consequences of it. No two ways about that. There are times that captain no crown or facing or challenging referee no, he will be punished. And say ya charge Kotoko players no any official no mini crimes. I cannot raise a finger on it because if they did it, they have flouted the laws and they must face the consequences. No two ways about that. But there might be one problem, and they say what TV kata when you were there at the other TV so what TV kata when you was had you because we have seen matches I born Koseda na prosecutor charge. Koseda na prosecutor be charge. And yen say Ghana Koseda yen adwuma.
O so Koseda bobo.
Ye bobo no.
Say bobo na ye modwuma mo ye no.
But prosecutor we adwuma or office. Sa office ni dey atum.
Dan na ye bobo ni no mo ye adwuma.
O GF secretary to.
Say nko nya adwuma nko hu de course.
O nya adwuma. Ya,
o nya adwuma
say prosecutor no or the charges no. Or trust what charge.
Your referees in report no. The James Obo match you no. You don't even have 24 hours to send your report.
No, you don't have you within 24 hours. I agree.
It's teachers or the koni no more adwuma.
As a circle. Send a bay idea channel pa. They will see to the report and work with it. And I work on it.
What the choir general secretary ni him.
And I don't know no.
Aye.
No, yeah, you man the general secretary on the prosecutor no.
So on the CEO of the FA.
I mean no problem. But he doesn't work on Sundays.
He works on Sundays.
I have seen him in various stadiums. I don't know.
Now, boy, you're born a Kwesiada.
But about administrative action decisions now, administrative work in there. Weekdays. And you Kwesiada. I'm not talking about the football itself. I'm talking about the administrative part of it.
Marty Danger.
And boss, you said enough for association. Saudi way they say, Omo anya bibi amfa ho. You see, they could have even pretended to have charged them. Say them so money hey. You so omo sanction omo. You so omo nya ho hey. But at least would they pretend to have charged them? Na ya antifia na kanu ano no.
Selbert, I'm ma Pooley. Maame Lydia Donko. CID penyin oda no. And the latest update aba on Nana Pooley. See baby a police for Eddie Pooley nsem no edru. Yentie COP Lydia Donko.
Francis Yao Frimpong alias Nana Pooley, who was stabbed to death at a football match. Francis Yao Frimpong, popularly known as Nana Pooley, a devoted supporter of Asante Kotoko Sporting Club, was fatally stabbed during a match between Asante Kotoko and Nswachiman FC. He died following a heated altercation with an unidentified individual in the course of the game. The Sunyani CID is actively pursuing credible leads, which could lead to the arrest of anyone involved in this crime. The cold case unit is also actively reviewing several other cases not listed in today's briefing. The Ghana Police Service reaffirms that no case of murder, disappearance, or violent crime will be abandoned. Every victim and every family deserves justice, and the Ghana Police Service remains committed to pursuing all available leads with diligence and thoroughness.
COP Lydia Donko, Director General of Criminal Investigation Department, and now I'm a latest update on Pooley. Obed, Maminti way. Senior dia asem no mbejim.
Edomase. Ewokoso asrom so muntu aso. Na omunkoso anya hwehwem senia. Maame Lydia Donko de tu den. Uti de Maame Lydia Donko kan dia na ese omunguso omunda. Afe ba ku ni omunna. No pa wie numre se omudi case na chia so mudi a no mudi a. Eno ne se madam dia tu. I think they are fresh news.
Amam for say a chedodo.
Investigations the Ejibo. It take time. Now on say what some the farm on one so young more. Cases a good police for now. So you were dosu. If you are being honest, how Kotoko first using a Cassian, I will form papa how as I say yen tenan but how am you so am Cassia dinya de open I will for more. Because case we how many last time they could compare you for an ankasa can wasem. Na jinja omo supporters am maka. Am e the heat akubi bi ezi e command pen for abumuja. Za de bi o ha. Be nyina na esi edi tu efun ko abrabom se. Senyame boana epie furu bi anu so nya abonu obedi wa. Na baby any panenam ya memben ho. Because clearly after 1 year the effort of the Asante Kotoko system from the supporters to everybody involved Jubo and put too enough pressure on the case. You can't and put too enough pressure on the case. A police phone and some go on table no so dorsal. But sometimes you need to find ways of using the public
to put pressure on them.
yes to put pressure on certain lines ebia a block kakra na made na timi aduru yie after a year a Pooley free mu isi omo kọ yede omo kọ court no ne bia de omo kọ a enioma a yede omo yede akyekyere omo no yegum ne bia de omo kọ a ne yegum first ne bi omo passport da ho first you say 1 week bi omo mbra police station you say no ya tete so ma ekọ 2 weeks bi omo mbra police station omo nya na 1 month ama you say aba be duru be bia police for hia omo na omo mbra fa mbra ye nyina jitu say mbra but clearly Jibo Kotoko kesiye no they must strategically have a plan on be use the enya de omo pe and this cut across almost everything. The sometimes I say near Kotoko chita for doors from your vocal. Ah, some we need dom akuma so. Ah, ya tena wan tena ma edi afe. And now the update there bano. Police for the Jibo then abekan. The obano say sunyane police for shishu. Now omunya updates beyond the bebre.
Nti hwama na ade so bo ne bo mo.
One as was the last time a court case the crabaya who said nibre bi ko jan ye nko bi around ebia court. Yes omo ko din se mu no. Ababa bi free mu o kuma se he ya. On the baka se bi nya nipa ne so de mu de ye de tum. But look at how no more assembly form almost every time no mo gina omo around. When nipa na nkase wadi boni se enya no. Yenya no. Kotimi koya koduru mampanyina nim. Ebra mo kobo African. Yem bisa se sa nkomo na na sa abre no. Pooley nkomo ba mu ana. Mo de to mampanyina nim sa asem we de mampanyina da yakoma so paaw. Te so otimi hwe na kama bibi sa akọ so ana. Sports minister ma ba around me ade. All from the bibi sa to anim. Behind the scenes, whatever things must change. I say Kotoko a unit for that. And I'm a refugee here the omo o he ne sa ne dia ye de wani metu your case will be treated like any other case. Your cases were because were priority. All security forces every corner obi amfa na hunjim ne ha de. Enu bi sa na akoso Pooley de na. Because idea fa Kotoko so no anam ne ba bi de betima tutina like another murder case ni amani fie be 9 years na police for hwehwem kopim se benya nipa kron but se fa ekuo kese bi se ho ene nam ho a onkoye boni o ade na si woni pam yetimi atra wa ama enya Kotoko na di statement ba abonten se na ababa wa bi ena aba abrante no okose ne dem mo ansa no woko sa ababa wa no kura mpo no ono so di case na kwesi sen ababa wa ne bia e beto abonte sa asumesi he na oboa ne ton ne nyoma ma ni skama ne timi dwan sa ababa wa ne mpo na Kotoko de sa statement ba sa ababa wa ne mpo ne de na kwesi sen say justice there a grande slowly there but Jibo a lot can be done. It can be bigger than this. So what I say simple I think say ye prapra na chi afimu ani also second and I think say ye hold you things for almost a month the March mo last year March mo nkai that pot but I think say ye ya be afi na enya afi kra
ba wonya sure so say time na Kotoko decide say ye hwe asem no mu wi a league no omonto aso no komo kwani mu kakra bi with their stance can you be put pressure
na make us the system no Jibo it all comes back to the system no then a system ni ye ti me de you update ma dia mami Lydia donko dia ma eno ani update so de mayen nhwehwemu na ekoso nti nhwehwemu na egusu hwehwemu eno ano no so ati say
yentina wo sa
because no mo wa chire ne ko se duru ba bi be to ja class esi enya bi mu a obone na tena moto so koye ana man kasa stories ni nyina nchire okruma se nipa mienu bi na bo no kromo hwehwe bi ene ye di moto from no mo baaye ana nti sa hwehwe mu ni nyina akosi sen is Kotoko even calling for the update Tenka Kotoko Nana Pooley afishia nei. Nanka Kotoko afre press conference bi. Nanka mpenifo the assembly atuja. Where they can even go at some authorities say they are not pleased with how investigations are koso. Yenti bibi say free kuo na nkasa ho jibo.
Chikodo of wada.
No, o show omo sorry there. Me bisa omo sorry. Because Pooley official a statement by press conference cramba and call on authorities. See be a press conference bi an kebe konanka kot company for the Kojan red bi abomuti se there bi asem na finie se ne ekono o mani nje ho aban panimfo e bi anu atro krata kra na bi akọ bi a regional minister ho na bi akra. You see, you must see you do something. No, people say we just the trial because so yen hwe memra na nya adwuma ba asem na ho hia wo. Enti ho hia wo de a wo do kase no ewura kọ na bia. Wo de wura kọ na bia. What last time I got ko bia ye ti say I mean that it. Life goes on. Football no na to aso and ye to aso ba. Enti a police phone dey jibo because na so uniform kokko tom so mo ko am say forensic audit and no matchen mother. I say a kakra and no more train.
I'm Nanaya. What the COP said is just English language, which is everyday English by Ghana police, and it doesn't change anything. If after 1 year you are saying this same English, my understanding to the issue is that they are not thinking about it again. Rest well, Pooley. Nanaya ode abanono. Bafo mamintie we so every evangelist Felix Asare or the Fraka and a day abba evangelist ohoye de. Was good evening boss, good evening evangelist, baby a wuti and I will show you free and ye chiao enumre. Was this is what Nanayo Amponsa was fighting against during his era. But some of the supporters and journalists said he was fighting the FE. We need leaders like Sylvester Asare, Herbert Mensah, Major Larson, Nanaya Amponsa, Kotoko Penny, Evangelist Sudie, de Abanono. Osato also say Herbert Mensah stood up against E.T. Mensah manipulated regime. And no, Eyenidia or de Eba no. Both Kotoko and House supporters are the cause of all this because we talk too much but less action. Paul Edifi Sampa and the message we aba. Danger man.
Kakram they count here say. I'm sorry. So I say. But if I'm sorry. Na omada wo enema bebre. Nyenwa na make catch you this am say yes sisi kosto na me ase me uja amkra me nke be free say. Tournament kese bi e wo kru ha bia ana wo wi ase ha yebon. Team kese ne yensisi no. Amfa ma team ketwa. Ba wo team kese na wanya onioma yie dia ye besisi e dia ma team ketwa.
Martin Obed
obi host tournament because of host nation power no. So I keep to operate man be kese ma nya some political influence bi won achi. E a hete e mom. Ba oni teams no mo nye ni yie.
Mame ko ba for na me ti ba for so.
At the mercy of the leaders.
Babo, mame ti o.
Boss. Minim dwumadie potiana ye maame na odie. Pooley die no ebeba mu bi.
Say nsonchofo nhemo. Sa okay. And no update. I say I can go for no update.
So dan metena ha meka asem bi. Say ne se me Pooley yire. Me Pooley busuani akamre be ho pa. Se me nim twa kene kama yam hu fi.
I don't want to try me hu fi.
Said obi a o se no twa de kosi. Me de kama twa yam hu fi.
We try bura daga.
Me twa pa. Me yam hu bi pa.
Na de daga tem.
Baby I say no twa we de baby to consider. I say we suma be one. It is a wine. It is a wine. Boss, catch a papa the oil mempe. Asam na ye ka no enya asem a ye didi agro. Last week na metina ha kan asem we. Say Pooley oni address. Mimi nua me yonku Sami Jamfi. Nasi Yes, I am phobia akokuno. This ni achi womu. Because our address, proper address. Pooley, only address. Krom ha, what's your only address? So because I some to where we. On say producer catcher say, Nkofu bi asham amko di money 1 week mu ayachi wo mo. Pooley dey, wo dey hwe the chronology of reporter ebaye. Akwa no na obi na fa phone frɛ no ɛna ofifie baaye sika no aha de yedi wura mu a ɛfa ne ntwa ne bia ebi so ye bafo ebi sei na okosisa na tade ye hu moja kra wo na tade man ti sa sɔre no so
ni nyina baaye
hu moja wo sika no so ano girl no kra no na koton ne dem no ma no ma ne koye the guy then becomes an accomplice if it was true
aboa amo na dwane I'm an escape a lawful arrest 1 year down the lane yet ye be dwen ye ho asema mama ya be ka kire yin. This is not reassuring, madam. This is not reassuring. It doesn't give anybody confidence. Say bibi tu na ebe protecting and I say obenya justice. I say we yeah, mami press conference enya. This is not good. Eko break chrono, boss. This is not reassuring. Can't you see? Don't you feel the pain? No. 1 year they buy no when they catch Ghana for. You will never catch a woman the football. No. This is not what you want to hear. 1 year. No way. Boss. Pooley be so for who ne papa video mama no kwabonten. Mama well na mabontin.
Da be anya
na so we kromuti.
E be how on be to be sunu on dey be me pa do no be twa bi ko twa bi pa. Enyo. Boss. That's not woman you bubu shani. Omo this year. Na ka do you know the position this woman occupies in the police service? Only that ordinary police person be out. This is not my kunta ayo. I hear no na ekasa wo. Unso no say kai be kasa wo the Asante regional PR na wa be kana asem kai be you be treat no kakra bi sa. I mean this woman is powerful. Why are very very powerful. The office she occupies is big. She is the director general. Okasa no. And Kasama ke pesiate no. Dabi we dey dabi. On kasa asem bi wo homo di biasie. Mama na asem no ka mu di biasie mu ko yimra. Se busa producers no dey kan be o mu dey akohye. No mu ko yimra because when ko dey nkanye.
We are no kind.
Dabi nya on kasa. Boss, now how can she say this? 1 year down the lane. You be come bi kaka kire man. Ka dey rehemu ahotoso bi abama. Ye ho ma hu say oh, say empo ukodi ago na che bibi tu a. E bia obenya justice. When? How do you feel? Are you confident that something is being done? This is hopeless statement. I just said there's nothing being done. At least the progress report. I didn't know.
Before from the acting that I know.
Oh, tell the police are crossing in on him. Saying something that will give you confidence.
That one is what causing the gun.
Yes, that's what's in Gao.
Young
how we mistaken will be
Ghana dear. But for memo being cool.
Stadium no back.
National security PSB na O2F atuma ka che ya no se obi uko bi no obi twe se kan na so twe tuo so beku a panache won ko na
speed bi am di be na fi ho
panache so te do tu no ka to no communicate won do pache won no nya na ni ba do ko ku
won de tu ha wa pe bi afa
o ka che open me that say
yes football mrade when
player goes to that level, clear, I say, Edimra, and no, a Casa, the team manager, because you will always not any point in time, your Omra idea football, and as all conform to Samrano, say, Ope say, Unio Tidima. Now, maybe problem is that it is becoming one too many. Me per se, yeah, protecting and referees. Yes, let's say protecting and referees or match officials. But the kind of agency they protecting referees and match officials, no. Me expect the FA, no. And then in Crawford say, to me decide and also actually referees performances in the games. And no result in Nema we are able. There are one who says that Mohamed Kamara is stupid. Say a babu game we are going to lose. No lose fairly and also chase referees or Kobono. And our team manager Amos be our boss Asante Kotoko, a very disciplined captain. Ever do na team manager or very sort in see a game we now chase a referee for the record or general record reference. It's just a be happy yeah. Be happy in the basis animal also. And recently we've been talking about referees' performances and how referees has become the people are taking an undue advantage, taking decisions in a system whereby clubs import the big clubs, the biggest clubs in the country, including Asante Kotoko and House of Folk, are even afraid to report referees to the appropriate courts. But the FA always tell us that the observers echo transstance. What do they see? Observers, they don't move. Those referees are the next game, no more thinking. So is any of your observer telling me, say, me are sorry, say the Benin used to game because Eba and never true. Say, as I look to go home, here, baby, any go start. I don't know, and you go. That ball wasn't a clean goal. It's a referee. Yes, I did as a referee. One day, our every opportunity say, when you do a pass, we are walking. Football, I come Juma. This is all who say player supporters. And I say you put players and for yourself. Share someone is all game. Now referee decide they say what them never show how sometimes you behave. And to talk about player running all this 90 minutes. Team manager, that's a team but for more prepare one team. Now do not one person. I didn't mention somebody to person. So is somebody telling me said that penalty incident House of Folk against the same baby goal starts happening. Now FA so-called observers no more. Report when a coy. And I want to believe say as I do go to a goalkeeper no active because go to lose. Because lose at home to House of Folk. Come on another goal. Me not sure say that game will be or will say or rush to the referee. So I want to believe the BBC. Somebody, I think my brother Zakito was telling me, say, well, is that the beginning? Say, clear there.
No, me sure said the cover by Henry Ansu record no. Na nyame anim nukreni. Ekwa referee fa so ma record ne de. Minim say footage fufu bu apart from the mehu na.
Okay.
Okay, ti visa boy na yenhwe Ansu record no ha. Me sure say any.
Oh, open ball.
On the omoko jump.
So what is what the boy in doing here?
The boy in say on say player no so nani. So he say Ansu de nsa awon, but from the video na here when dey.
Look at this. Ube way na Carol to player. Eye dey chain way. Ebi ni dey dreams of the now dey kan want say my man. Aduana player. Record. Dreams dey na eye career threatening very dangerous no. Referee German cost for free. So it's a bit in football no be clean there. Yes, much as me know we argue say adia Kamara here and try you charge no. Adia Amos here and try you charge no. And say start to fish out the bad referees the more system no man. Obu create all this problem no. Because I can't say bibi anko kan papa any kede. And I make we've seen Asante Kotoko losing in a game. Kotoko play be also call referees so. Kotoko do come say here against Vision FC. You win a game Kotoko play up that from referee walking straight on them supporters go be and carry and function. But when it is that idea will be able to deal with it. The referee intention is to make the other team win as against the idea. and the man nipa because no the information again say ya amount for restricted camera ebi kwa ko ball referee na me aban no ebi ko ball referee na me aban no ni nyina ni that bad officiating na omodi ti omo ye especially games are Emma TV so and they say home team no at all cost and winning at the expense of other and because the sad there na efero omo emfa justice Emma system ni mu because you have as you say there's justice going on so referees not to money in here the referees must be sanctioned no be able to say yes this so referee was sanctioned next time or baby mu that tag no obe but you just referees man no but when it's about player and I say team official there I saw the point now or out at the end of the protect Amos the protect so what is so special about that it's a high time young class no almost any board now to stage a demonstration or work of so referees no as no my board yeah every referee sit up
abeye practice all over the world captain say baby abefa bi asane ye no
I am not against
referees a mistake na se be punish wo mpokura na ye mfa ma public baby ade obe hu ni say weekend be games a be di no onni bi be hu an say bi a ye fa say England na wo di championship instead say ko bi wo be di Premier League a way of punishing referees
yeah hands on you know referee ko do ya or this talent and go go no the two is no the ball on be can but they don't do that because the system now can say referees yes one go the money say you push here your referees are Ghana league ma the system sends them to go and do on ko body the other teams
me push you
what you say push him manko but no I something that our system now no push go for mommy asane man so say if they who can who the point see the referee's name but say so captain says the referee and how could deep match na ankoye you say the modern ankoye and you freezing na at least for we us not hearing you for about maybe 1 month or 2 months now mama di born obi abe say this referee on kai by be say antin catch but the referee ebe ya dey ya say especially to do Asante Kotoko go start here and American was me not say a week or the next week or what kind of punishment is that but let's wait you know who's the guy about
a week ne follow you after science in this year ni amana kwa mana ni
too short and your punishment and yet deterrent enough referees no crowd tell you omo so referee just center na a hell is the following week of the center so any punishment so referee Daniel referee just center ne said the boy Asante Kotoko ne Caroline right and you next week obenya the opportunity
okay
so oruko nya osan center so akoya every other week and one day every other week and just say you punishment be amended to him so the referee indeed the FA almost send that scout no the so called observe the some consent and stands go here the referees when they are some waka no say those so much some first your mouth me say that we give you now but I want to believe say and never course and the player no and the team and acted at the whole
it's very disgusting to hear how quick the FA and his disciplinary committee came out with the allegations against Asante Kotoko team but the big question is what prompted the action.
Okay,
is Kamara and Amos insane to take that action? The GFA and his disciplinary committees are like being invited to Asamado. Definitely you won't go and come back. Akora Abafo Edifri Bremai and Ede Abba.